Well, are you going to be able to get up there or not? You were just up there. Now let's see if you can figure out the water. Man, I need a new phone case. There's Mom. What are you, drunk? Okay, this one closest to me is a little girl. And that one over there is a boy, the one that's a little more rambunctious. And there's Mom. And there's Aunt Lily. And they're going to be mad at me in a minute because I put them back in their little apartment over here. What are you doing? Why do you always got to be in my lap? What are you doing? You got a food block right there. You got all that food. Did you eat all your food? I didn't think so. Alrighty.